Assalamualaikum. Let's start our discussion for revision for test 1. The topics covered are simple interest, promissory note and bank discount, and also compound interest. So let's begin with the first topic, simple interest. Okay, this is the first question. Lutfi invests RM8,000 in an investment fund for 4 years 3 months. At the end of the investment period, his investment is worth RM9360. Find the simple interest rate that is offered. So when we read any question, the first step will be to really understand the question so that we can take out all the important information provided by the question. Okay. So for this question, Lutfi invests RM8,000. Okay, so this is his initial investment. Therefore, that is our principal. Okay, P. RM8,000. Okay, P can be principal, can be present value, can be original amount. 4 years 3 months. This is the duration of his investment. So this is the T. Okay, how to write down 4 years 3 months? 4 years is 4, 3 months 3 over 12. Okay, 4 3 over 12 we can simplify into 4.25. At the end of the investment period, his investment is worth RM9360. So at the end of the investment period, meaning that after 4 years 3 months, so that will happen in the future. Okay, therefore this is our future value as equal 9360. Find the simple interest rate that is offered. So we want to find R. Okay, there are two ways in solving this question. Okay, let's discuss both ways. The first one is that we can use the formula I equal S minus P. Our S is 9360 minus P 8000. So we get I 1360. And next we can use formula I equal PRT. Substitute I 1360, substitute P 8000, substitute R is the value that we want to find, and finally substitute T 4.25. Okay, 8000 multiply by 4.25 we get 34,000. So bring 34,000 to the other side, it becomes divide. Okay, solve the division. We get R equals 0.04. Okay, and then remember, we want to find simple interest rate. Rate, the final value should be in percentage. So multiply by 100. For final answer, 0.04 multiplied by 100 for %. Okay, that is the first way. Second way, we can straight away use formula S equal P1 plus I. Oh, sorry, this one is for compound interest. S equal P1 plus RP. Okay, this formula is for simple interest. Substitute S 9360, substitute P 8000, 1 plus R is the value that we want to find, multiply by 4.25. Okay, first bring 8000 to the other side. So 9360 divided by 8000 equal 1 plus 4.25 R. Okay, solve the division. We get 1.17. Okay, next we will move 1 to the other side, minus 1. Obviously, this will equal to 0.17. And last step, bring 4.25 to the other side. Solve the division. We get 0.04, and again, do not forget, because this is simple interest rate, rate should be in percentage, multiply by 100, and we get final answer R equal 4%. So doesn't matter which method you use to solve this problem, if you do it correctly, you should get the right answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Lily made a RM 17,000 loan and was charged 12% simple interest. On 29 June 2020, Lily paid RM 17,680 to settle her loan. Okay, by using exact time and exact simple interest, find the term of the loan in days and find the date of the loan. Okay, previous question is about investment. And this question is about loan. So if you still remember, there are two definition for interest. Okay, number one, interest that we pay. Okay, we pay the interest when we make a loan. And the second type of interest is interest that we receive. Okay, we receive interest when we make an investment. So previous question is about investment and this question is about loan. 17,000 loan, that is our original amount. P equals 17,000. 12% simple interest, that is our R. 12% is 0.12. 29 June 2020, Lily paid 17680. Okay, that will happen in the future because the amount of loan is 70,000. When Lily paid 17,680,000, that is the amount of loan plus interest. So that is our S. By using exact time and exact simple interest. Okay, exact time is when we assume the number of days in every month according to the exact number. And exact simple interest is over 365 or 366 dependent on whether that particular year is normal year or leap year. Okay, if normal year then over 365, if leap year then over 366. Okay, let's find the term of the loan. Okay, here we want to find P. For number 1, we can straight away use S equal P1 plus RT, or because we have the value for S and we have the value for P, we can use a method similar to the solution from the previous question where you find I first. Okay, I equal S minus P. When you have I, then you can proceed to use I equal PRT. But if you do not want to do that, you can also use this formula S equal P1 plus RT. Okay, let's substitute all the relevant values. Okay, solve this part. 17680 divided by 17000 equal, you should get 1.04. Okay, and then minus 1, we get 0.04. Okay, we want to find T, move 0.12 to the other side. And from there, we get T equal 1 over 3. And remember, okay, if R is in percentage and P is in years. So 1 over 3 years. 1 over 3 years, and because we're using exact simple interest, okay, exact simple interest, 2020. We want to determine whether 2020 is normal year or leap year. 2020 divided by 4. 2020 divided by 4 is 505. Okay, since we get a whole number answer, it means that 2020 is a normal, because we get a whole number answer, therefore 2020 is leap year. Leap year, we have 366 number of days. So 1 over 3 multiplied by 366 equal 122 days. Okay, you can leave your answer. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay, the question one, the answer in days. So the correct answer is 122 days. Okay, number 2, we want to find the date of the loan. Okay, Lily paid the loan on 29 June 2020. So we will do it backwards. Okay, from the day Lily made the payment backwards to the day Lily made the loan. Okay, we want the total number of days to be 122 days. So we still have some more months to go on. Continue. And remember, over here we are using exact time, so we must take exactly the number of days for each month. 31 days for March 3, 9, today. So far we have 29 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31. So far we have 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1 days. We want the total to be 122 days. So we only need one more day in here. One more day. One day, because 2020 is leap year. 29 days in February. So 28. Okay, because 29 minus 28 equal 1. So the date is 28 of February 2020. Next question. After 240 days, Lisa had RM 3076 in her saving account that offered 2.8% simple interest. Find the amount of her original saving by using banker's rule. Okay, what is banker's rule? Banker's rule is when we use exact time over 360. Okay, here we can use S equal T1 plus RT. T 240 days, so 240 over 360. Why over 360? Because we're using banker's rule. 3076 is our S, future value, and our R 3.8% or 0.038. Okay, let's substitute all this value into the formula. We want to find P, okay, the amount of her original saving. Okay, let's solve the values inside this bracket. Okay, just follow exactly what's written here and enter in your calculator. 1 plus 0.038 multiplied by, okay, for this fraction better to put this in bracket. So bracket 240 over 360. Okay, put fraction in bracket to avoid mistake in calculation. Okay, if you get correctly, we should get 1.02533333. Okay, we can write that down. You don't have to write this down. I'll just write this down as your reference. So 1.02533333. And then we get P equal RM 3000. On 20 May 2017, Hassan borrowed 15,000 from a bank with R% simple interest rate charged to do renovation for his house. On 20 May 2019, he should settle all the debt by paying RM 17,500 to the bank. What is the interest rate charged by the bank? Okay, so he made the loan on 20 May 2017. He paid on 20 May 2019. So let's calculate the number of months here. Right? 20 of May 2017 until 20 of May 2019. Okay, since the date is the same, 20 May, only the year differ. So the exact duration between these two dates is 2 years. Okay, that is our T. T equal to borrow 15,000. Okay, that is the original amount of the loan. That is our T equal 15,000. R% simple interest. This is the value that we want to find. 17,500 is the amount of S, 17500. Okay, what is the interest rate charged by the bank? So there are two ways in solving this question. Number one, we can straight away use formula S equal P1 plus RT because we have both value for S and P. Another way is that we can find I first by using I equal S minus P. Which equal to 500. Okay, when we have I, we can use I equal PRT. And final answer, simple interest rate equal 8.33%. Okay, that is one way to solve this problem. Another way is we can straight away use S equal P1 plus RP. Okay, let's try that one. Substitute S 17500, substitute P15000, 1 plus R multiplied by 2. So 17500 over 15000 minus 1 equal to 2R. Okay, let's calculate this part. Here we get 1 over 6. 1 over 6 equal to R. Okay. So move 2 to the other side. 1 over 6 divided by 2. Okay, we get 0.0833. So here we can see that even though we are using two different ways or two different methods to solve the problem, we still manage to get the same answer. So final answer 8.33%. Okay, remember when solving the question, any question for any topic, always write down the formula first. Okay, you can refer to the list formula given provided with the question. Okay, write down the formula first so that we know which formula that you apply, and then substitute the correct values. After that, then final answer, make sure to put the correct symbol as well. If the answer want you to find rate, then it should be in percentage. If the answer want you to find the amount of, let's say, future value or present value, okay, be sure to put RM with 2 decimal places. If the question want you to find duration or time, okay, put whether the duration is in years, days, months, okay, etc. Next question. A retailer took a personal loan of 10,000 ringgit from XYZ Bank. The loan was charged a simple interest rate of 12% per year. He settled the loan by paying RM 18,000. To find the term of the loan in months and the interest earned. Okay, previous question, term of loan in days. Okay, this one in months. Right, let's take out all the important information. Loan of 10,000, that is our P. The simple interest rate, that is our R. 12%, 0.12. 18,000 is our S. Right, find the term of the loan in months. So again, for this question, we can also use two ways. Okay, there are two ways. Either straight away use S equal P1 plus RP, or find I first. Okay, either way, if you do it correctly, you should get the same correct answer. Okay, this time I want to use this formula straight away. Substitute all the relevant values. Okay, if you notice, in this question, it doesn't specify whether you should use exact time, exact simple interest, approximate time, or banker's rule. Okay, bear in mind when the question doesn't specify which method to use, you must use banker's rule. Okay, I repeat, if the question doesn't specify which method you should use to calculate duration or term, you must use banker's rule. Okay, banker's rule is exact time over 360. Okay, let's solve this part first. 18,000 divided by 10,000 minus 1, 0.8. Okay, we get here 0.8, move 0.12. and we get T equal, okay, I put the answer in fraction to make it more accurate, and I get T equal 20/3. And remember, our T is in years. Since the question one term in loans, multiply by 12. The question one the term in months. Okay, multiply by 12 because 12 months in 1 year. So 20/3 multiplied by 12. Our answer is 80 months. Okay, previous question we multiplied by 366 because the question one final answer in days, and since that particular year is leap year, we multiply by 366. But this question one the final answer in months, so we multiply by 12. Second question, the interest earned. So to find interest, I equal S minus P. Actually, I think not interest earned but interest paid, because this is a loan. Okay, for loan we did not earn interest. Okay, we pay interest. Otherwise, the interest earned by the bank. Okay, I equal S minus P 18,000 minus 10,000 RM 8,000. Citi invested RM 5,000 in an investment scheme on 24th February 2020. The investment offered a simple interest rate of 8% per annum. By using approximate time and exact simple interest, find the total interest received on 23rd December 2020. Okay. We have original investment amount 5,000, that is our P. And then our R 8%. Approximate time. Okay, approximate time is when we assume all months in any year has 30 days. Okay, again I repeat, approximate time is when we assume that every month has 30 days. Exact simple interest is over 365 or 366 depending on whether that particular year is normal year or leap year. Okay, 2020, okay, to determine leap year, 2020 divided by 4, we get 505. And since the answer is a whole number, it shows that the year is leap year. Okay, because leap year, we have 29 days in February. For exact simple interest, we will divide by 366. Okay, find the total interest received on 23rd December 2020. First, we need to find the total number of days between 24th of February 2020 until 23rd of December 2020. Starting from February. Okay, because 2020 is leap year, we have 29 days in February. So 29 minus 24, 5 days. After February, March. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I made a mistake here. Okay, I should be more careful. Approximate time. Okay, approximate time is where we assume all month has 30 days. So 24 February until, okay, even though 2020 is leap year, but because we're using approximate time, we assume February has 30 days. So 30 minus 24, 6. And then March, also 30 days, okay, because we are using approximate time. 30 days in March. days in April. 30 days in May. 30 days in June. 30 days in July. 30 days in August. 30 days in September. 30 days in October. Okay, I'll continue here. 30 days in November, and then for December, 1st of December until 23rd of December. So 23 days. Let's total up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 multiplied by 30 plus 6 plus 23. We get 299 days. Okay, and we want to find the total interest. I equal PRT. Substitute P 5000, R 0.08 and P 299 days over, because we are using approximate time and exact simple interest, since 2020 is leap year, so over 366 equal, okay, let's calculate. Okay, you should get final answer RM 326.7759563. Okay, 0.7759. 775 we took 7, 8. Okay, that's all the questions for topic simple interest. Now we will continue with the second topic, which will be covered in test 1, promissory note and bank discount. The first question, this is a sample of promissory note, RM 5000. The date of the note is 22nd February 2020. Written by Aisyah Humaira. 90 days after date, I promise to pay to the order of Zuraini, Ringgit Malaysia 5000 only, for value received with interest at the rate of 4.5% per annum until paid. Okay, based on the note above, find the maker. The maker is the person who signed the note. So the maker is Aisyah Humaira. The payee is Raini. The face value RM 5000. The maturity value, we have to find by using S equal P 1 plus RE. P 5,000, the original loan. 1 plus R 4.5%, 0.045 multiplied by T, T 90 days. Okay, 90 days, so 90 over 360. See, we can calculate this straight away with our calculator. Just follow what's written here. Okay, 5,000 and then bracket 1 plus 0.045 multiply. You put fraction in another bracket, bracket 90 over 360, close bracket, equal, we get S equal RM 5056.25. Number 5. The discovery equivalent to the given simple interest rate. Okay, this one we can use formula. Okay, wait, I need to check the formula. Okay, because here we have R, we want to find D, we use D equal R over 1 plus R E, where R 0.045 over 1 plus 0.045 multiplied by 90 over 360. Okay, we can solve the denominator first. 1 plus 0.045 multiplied by 90 over 360. Okay, from the denominator we should get 1.01125 and then 0.045 divided by answer. We get 0.04449. So I take 0.0445 multiplied by 100. We get 4.45%. Okay, as the final answer. Lydia wants to borrow 27200 for 5 months from a bank that charges 6% discount rate. Calculate the amount of discount charge. Okay, here we can use D equal SDT. S 27200 multiply 5 months D. Okay, our D is 6%, 0.06. 5 months. 5 months, 5 over 12 equal RM 680. Someone needs 9750 now. Okay, someone needs this now. So this should be the amount of proceed. Find the amount that she should borrow. She should borrow. So that is S. For 5 years, that is T. From a bank that charges 7% bank discount rate, that is our D. So based on the information that we have, the most suitable formula to be used is PR equal S 1 minus DT. Substitute. Okay, solve in bracket 1 minus 0.07 multiplied by 5, we get 0.65. So 9750 divided by answer RM 15,000. Okay, so that's how I can get 9750 now. She need to borrow 15,000 ringgit from a bank that charges 7% bank discount rate. Next question, a 90-day promissory note dated 11 January 2019 with maturity value was charged a simple interest rate of 8.7%. Find the face value. Okay, 90 days. 90 days is our P. 90 over 360. Maturity value is our S. 2535. Simple interest 0.0875. So here we can use S equal P 1 plus RP. Face value is the principal or the original amount or the present value. So we want to find P. Okay, let's calculate. Inside bracket 1 plus 0.0875 multiplied by 90 over 360. We get 1.021875. Then divide, and final answer is RM 2480.733945. Okay, 733 we took 0.73 as the final answer. Teratak Furniture received 4,000 promissory note at 12% simple interest rate for 95 days from one of its customer, Encik Ali. The note was made on 20 May 2019. Okay, 4,000 promissory note, that is P. 12% simple interest, that is R. 95 days, that is T. Okay, the maker and the payee. Maker, okay, the person who make the promissory note. Teratak Furniture received from Encik Ali. So the maker is Encik Ali. And the payee is Teratak Furniture. The maturity date of the note. The maturity date of the note. The note was made on 20 May 2019. So that is the date of the note. Date of the note 20 May 2019 plus 95 days. Okay, to get the maturity date. So let's calculate. Starting from May. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31 days in May. So 31 minus 20, 11 days. And then June, we have 30 days in June, so 30. July, 31 days in July, August, also 31 days in August. Okay, but we want the total number of days to be 95. Okay, so far 11 plus 30 plus 31, we already got 72. So we need 23 more days. Okay, 23 more days, meaning that 1st August is only until 23. Okay, 1st August until 23 of August. Again, 11 plus 30 plus 31 plus 23. Total is 95 days. So, maturity date 23rd of August 2019. Number 3, the maturity value. Here we can use S equal T 1 plus RT. Substitute. Okay, straight away use calculator. Just follow the written, what's written here, 4000, and then open bracket 1 plus 0.12 multiply 95 over 360 equal RM 4126.666. I take 67. Hasna decides to buy a necklace for her mother on Mother's Day. She applies a bank loan of 10,000 with 4.5% discount rate charged for 3 years in order to buy the gift. She received RMX from the bank. Calculate the amount received. The amount received is the proceed. Okay, let's take out the information first. 10,000 is S. 4.5% discount rate D 0.045 T equal 3 years. So for question 1 we use PR equal S 1 minus DT. Substitute all the values. And use calculator. 10,000 1 minus 0.045 multiplied by 3 equal RM 8650. Question 2. The simple interest rate that is equivalent to the discount rate. So for this one, we use R equal D 1 minus DT because we have D. 0.045 1 minus 0.045 multiplied by 3. Okay, calculate the denominator first. 1 minus 0.045 multiplied by 3, 0.865. We get 0.05202. Okay, multiply by 100, so that final answer could be in percentage. We take 5.2023 or 5.2, or we can just do 2 decimal places. Okay, that's enough. Okay, this question is for compound interest. So finish with the second chapter. Now let's begin with the third chapter, compound interest. Okay, Siti invested 10,000 into account. Okay, account A, 10% compounded semi-annually. So for A, IA 10%, 0.1 compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually every 6 months. So interest in June and December, okay, 2 times a year. Okay, let's simplify. 0.1 divided by 2, we get 0.05. For account B, interest 8% compounded annually. Okay. Annually 0.08, annually only once a year, so still 0.08. After 2 years, our T equal to the accumulated amount in her account as equal 12056.85. Okay, find the interest earned, the amount invested at account A, the amount invested at account B. Okay, let's answer number 1 first. To find interest, I equal S minus P. Okay, we know S given in the question 12056.85 minus P 10,000 equal RM 2056.85. Okay, that is the amount of interest. Okay, the amount invested in account A. Okay, let's say Siti invest X amount in A. So A plus B will equal to 12056.85. Okay, after 2 years. Okay, for A, we assume she saved X. So X equal 1 plus, okay, the I for A is 0.05 N. The N for A. The N for A, 2 years, 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. And then plus for B, since the total amount of investment is 10,000, we assume she invests 8 X ringgit, okay, in A. So the balance is 10,000 minus X. So that's the amount she invests in B. 1 plus the I for B 0.08. Okay, power N. Power N, N for B 2 years multiplied by annually 1. So N equal 2. The total is 12056.85. Okay, let's solve this. $1.21550625 plus okay, let's solve this. $1.1664. Okay, expand 10,000 multiplied by this 1.1664 multiplied by 10,000 equal 11664 minus 1.1664x equal 12056.85. Okay, now we want to separate all x on the left and number without x on the right. So 1.21550625x minus 1.1664x, you get 0.04910625 5x equal, okay, let's calculate the numbers without x. 12056.85, okay, minus 11664 equal 392.85. So we get x equal, okay, bring this to the other side, divide. We get x equal Rm 8,000. So the amount invested in account A is 8,000 because we assume RMX in account A. So this is the answer for question 2. For question 3, amount invested in account B, the total is 10,000. Okay, minus account A 8,000. Balance is RM 2,000. Okay, 2,000 in account B. Next question. Hakim invested RMX in a bank account. So RMX is our principal or present value. Interest rate of 5%. Compounded monthly 0.05 over 12. Let's try to simplify this. 0.05 divided by 12. Okay, we cannot simplify into simpler decimal, but we can use 1 over 240. 10 years ago. Okay, Hakim invested RMX 10 years ago. If the amount in the account today, so today that is S equal 16,470.09. Find the value of x. Okay, we use s equal p1 plus I power n. Substitute. Okay, let's find n equal mt. M is 12 because monthly. T equal 10. Okay, 10 years ago. N equal 120. Okay, to find x. Okay, let's solve this. 1 plus 1 over 240 power 120. 1.64700949 and finally divide. And we get 9999.996974. Okay, that one is RM 10,000. Number 2. RM 2000 is withdrawn from the account today. Find the amount left in the account after 5 years. So we have a new P. Originally, Hakim had 16,470.09 in his account, but he withdrawn 2,000 minus 2,000. The balance is 14,470.09. So after 5 years, S equal P1 plus I power n. The new balance in his account 14470.09. 1 plus I, the value of I is still the same. Okay, n change. Let's find a new n. Okay, n equal mt. M is still 12 because monthly, but T is 5. Okay, 5 years. 12 multiplied by 5, 60. Power 60. So the new S is RM1857.31558. 315 we take 0.32. Suhana deposited RM3,500 in a saving account at 3% compounded every 6 months. The amount accumulated in the fund after 42 months was RM4378.23. Find the amount of interest earned by Suhana and determine the value of K. Okay, Suhana deposit 3,500, that is P. K percent compounded every 6 months. Every 6 months meaning that June and December. So twice a year. Okay, 2 kali setahun. Accumulated in the fund after 42 months. Okay, our P is 42 over 12. Okay, because in months, this is our S4378.23. Find the amount of interest earned and the value of K. Okay. So we use S equal P 1 plus I power N. So let's find N. N equal MT. Our M is 2 because compounded every 6 months. Every 6 months or twice a year. Our T is 42 over 12. Or we get N is 7. Substitute. Okay, let's divide this first. 4378.23 divided by 3500. We get 1.2509222857 equal. Okay, 1 plus K percent over 2. Power 7 move to the other side. Okay, jadi root. Ini punca kuasa 7. We get 1.032500036 minus 1 equal K percent over 2. 0.032500035 multiplied by 2. We get 0.065. Okay, multiplied by 100 so that the final answer in percent, and answer is 6.5%. So that is the value for K. And then the question asks us to find the amount of interest. Okay, to find interest, simply I equal S minus P. For 378.23 minus 3500. So amount of interest earned is RM878.23.